Hey everyone! Welcome to Catamaran Cocktails. Woo!
Behind us is Petite St. Vincent, and right in front of us is this tiny, tiny, tiny little island.
It's just all sand,
Yeah.
and there's one umbrella
Yeah.
on the beach.
So we're making a cocktail to go have it there. Hopefully nothing bad happens. It's surrounded by a bunch of reef. Anyway, so the drink we're making today is called the Jasmine. So how we found the drink was we were on the island of Mystique.
We're having dinner at a place called The View. Absolutely great place to go have dinner. They have good cocktails and actually a really good view.
The gentleman that worked there made amazing drinks, and this was one of them. Okay, so Ryan, looks like you're ready.
Let's get going. So the ingredients for this drink are going to call for a London dry gin, Cointreau. Then you're going to need Campari, a little bit of simple syrup. Now, I've made my own simple syrup. This is not balsamic vinegar. This is actually simple syrup. And lastly, we're going to do some fresh squeezed lemon. First, I am going to squeeze some fresh lemons. Oh, everywhere. They're huge. Okay, so we're going to take our shaker and fill it up with ice. So first we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, so next we're going to add 1.5 ounces of our London dry gin. So now we're going to add 1/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. Alright, next we're going to add 1/2 an ounce of Campari. And lastly, 1/6 of an ounce of simple syrup. Alright, and then we shake. We're going to serve this up in a chilled coupe glass. So I do recommend when you pour this into the glass, use a fine strain. Perfect. We are going to take a little bit of a lemon twist and garnish with that. Alright, and there you have it. That is the Jasmine Cocktail. Hey, Lauren, do you want to come give it a try?
Yeah.
All right.
But we're gonna take it to the beach, right?
Well, we can have one first and make another one at the beach. All right, ready? Cheers.
Cheers, man. Oh, I love it.
Such a good drink.
It's slightly sour with a bitter aftertaste, and it's not too sweet.
It is not sweet.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Catch you next week.
Bye. Do it. We should be good through this inlet. There's a rock to our right.
That's really shallow.
You want to get that?
Yeah, we're almost there.
You can make it. Just go. I'm going slow.
Ooh, look at that sandy patch. Oh, big rock, big rock, big rock.
Go ahead, jump in. Pull us in.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, that's not gonna. Whoa.
Look inside. People left little thingies, trinkets.
I'm gonna walk all the way across the whole island. I'm circumnavigating it by foot. How many people are gonna be able to say they walked all the way around a Caribbean island? Lauren's falling behind. She's not as fit as me. No, 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 no. This is what we call the race around the island. I'm gonna win. Oh, my beer! No! Here's the finish line. Woo! Yeah! Huh? 1 minute and 25 seconds. Pita bread in here. Expensive pita bread. Some beer. ice cream.
We are, where are we?
We are in the middle of the ocean at the moment.
Really.